Okay, video vlog check everybody. Azrael here. We are here sa Jupiter Makati at sa likod ko, it's the Korean Garden Restaurant. Ang nakuha ting info dito. Ito daw yung first Korean restaurant sa Pilipinas at nag-open ito noong 1970s. Medyo oldies yung dating niya, no? So pasok tayo, check out natin, kain tayo. Alright, let's do this. So mega vlogging tayo dito, no? So, sa kabila ka dumaan. So today yung Korea Garden. So ito yung mga pagkain nila. Check it out, yo. Ayan, vegetables. The usual, kimchi jjigae, my favorite. Oh my god. Bulgogi. Banchan. So familiar na tayo sa mga kainan na to. So open for dining. Ito yung kanilang pintuan. Okay, something here, an ornament. Here's our dining table. This is a generational favorite sa mga lola. Oh, ito yung mga favorite nila.
Dapat wala nagdala.
Okay. Ito yung mga toge, kimchi, may dilis, parang water spinach at tofu. Ayan. Spicy chicken. Alright. At ito ay japchae. For sure. Japchae. And this one is parang bulalo daw. And we have here the kimchi jjigae. That's my favorite. At parang beef. Ayan. May dumpling dito. Saan galing? Mando. Mando. Sarap. Kaya ito may saksawan, di ba? Good. Octopus o squid? Here's squid. Ano yung octopus yun? Kasi may ganun. Trying the kimchi jjigae. Hindi pa ito kimchi jjigae, para siyang may egg, ibang style. Hindi pa siya tofu. Pero may egg eh. May pailo kami ni Aaron. Kain natin ito. Japchae. Good. Nahulog pa. Ayan, tikman natin. Wow! Ang sarap, vlogger. Sarap ang tentacles. Spicy chicken daw. Sobrang anghang daw. Tikman natin. They were there for 20 years. Kumbaga if it's spicy, it should be spicy. Sarap. Okay siya. Good. So this is a bibim soup. Try natin itong kanilang noodles na mas spicy daw. Check natin to. Try natin. Sarap na. Ay, pagka-pipino. Here's the Galbi Gym. Wow. Take and run na to. Try natin yung kanilang Galbi Gym. Parang ito reminds me of kimchi sa Shangri-La. Yeah, it's really the same way. Beef stew. Diba? It is Galbi Gym. Oh my god. Sarap daw ito with With rice.
Pampaganda daw to.
Ito nga. This one is much more tastier. Ang sarap, grabe.
Experience nga. Experience naman. Ano na siya sweet. Yung alam mo parang soy.
Ano? Ano tawag dito?
Beef and pork bulgogi.
Beef and pork bulgogi. Wow. Wow, grabe. Okay, mga followers, hello. Hi. Hindi to TikTok, naka-record lang. Wala akong TikTok kaya mag-live eh. What is your reaction that, you know, the Philippines now started embracing Korean culture?
I'm very proud because many Filipino likes Korean food and then Korean style, Korean drama. Right? So I'm very proud that Filipino likes Korean style of the food. They like also Korean people. They want to look like Koreans. Yeah, totoo. If I say, how do you look like Korean? They're very happy. And then food, they're little spicy, and then little sweet, little sour. They like it. That's why we have many regular customers. Around 40, 45 years.
Wow, thank you. So there, ang tawag dito, pork and beef na bulgogi. Here's the beef. Oh my God, very tasty. And the pork. Sarap din. Grabe. Buti nila may kanin pa ako.
John.
Wala, inubos na ni Aaron. Siyempre, alam niyo na to, samgyup na tayo. Oh, grabe yung samgyup nila, laki ng karne.
We're also opening another restaurant pala yung Organico Gourmet. Sa San Juan din yun.
We're trying the it's a dessert, A-Ice dessert, Jero, vitamin C, popsicle. Amoy ano? Amoy ascorbic acid. Sarap. Okay, that's the end of my food trip here sa Korea Garden in Jupiter Street, Makati. So, meron pala silang schedule pala dito, 10:30 AM hanggang 2:30 PM. And after that, break time na. Ang next open nila, 5:30 PM. Kasi kailangan nila mag-recharge. At, may mga customer kasi gabi na ang balik nila. Kasi medyo pag mga 2 PM, medyo walang tao dito sa area na to. At ang good news is that mag-aaral sila ng second branch in San Juan. So abangan ninyo, we're going to cover it, magbablog din tayo doon at pa-introduce ko sa inyo, yung Korea Garden is coming to San Juan City. Alright? So that's it. Thank you so much kay Korea Garden. It's my first time here at talagang it's a dream come true after the pandemic, nakapunta na tayo. Alright? Ayan, may signage doon ng Korea Garden. So yun si Aaron, signing out na kami. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I'll see you guys in the next video vlog adventure. Alright? Kita kits.